A delicious shrimp filling is cooked and then filled into puff pastry cases and baked till golden brown. Welcome back to Kravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're going to be making shrimp patties. I've made shrimp patties before, but this is a different version and it's going to be baked in a little tart shell. They are absolutely cute and delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. You can use any kind of filling you like, but I'm going to start with 1 pound of shrimp or prawn. This is roughly 500 grams and I'm going to mince this using a knife. I'm going to heat up some oil and then I'm going to add 1.5 cups of diced onions. I'm going to follow this with 2 tablespoons of sliced green chili. I like to spice my filling as it will balance the sweet, buttery taste of the puff pastry. Add some salt to the onions to help it caramelize faster. Once this is almost golden brown, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. I'm now going to add the minced shrimp. Add a half teaspoon of red chili powder, a half teaspoon of turmeric, I'm also going to add 1 cup of diced tomatoes and mix it in. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Cover this and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Add salt to taste. Finally, I'm going to add a half cup of chopped coriander. I have a roll of puff pastry here. This is roughly 2 pounds. I'm going to unroll this and cut the sheet. I will be using these canapé shells today, and this scalloped edge cookie cutter will work well. Grease the case with some oil, cut out a circle, and press it firmly into the case. About a tablespoon of the filling. Now I'm going to cut another circle and brush the edges with some egg wash. Lay it over the shell and the filling and press it to seal. Using my thumb and forefinger, I'm just going to go around the edges and seal it. Now I'm going to repeat the process with the rest. Batch ready, I'm going to brush the top with egg wash. I'm also going to add some sesame seeds. And bake it in a preheated 350-degree oven till golden brown. This can take about 15 to 20 minutes. You can reuse the scraps, just make sure to keep them covered. Once out of the oven, they should unmold easily, but you can use a knife to free them if required. Let the cases cool and then they're ready to be used again. You can bake these and then freeze them in a layer covered in foil and just reheat them before serving. They're delicious. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this very delicious recipe for shrimp patties. You can make these ahead and put them in your freezer, and you will have this delicious snack for your family and friends to enjoy at any time. If you love this video, guys, do give it a thumbs up and also leave me a comment below. I really love hearing from you. Also, share my videos with your family and friends so they can enjoy these amazing recipes as well. And before I go, make sure you're following me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.